Adobe Photoshop continuation, unit number 2, unit 2. Already we have created that new file. So likewise, view file new, title name file 1. So likewise, sizes A4, A3, or whatever size you need, say you can select from here. Say just select this one, pixels 1024 in 768 height with 1024, resolution 72. So then after that, okay. So likewise, you can get the new file with the file name file 1. So the RGB color, say here this one on the toolbox. So here the front of this one, say here this white color, background color, say the foreground color, black color. So example, so select this text, select the text, horizontal type, text. So you can select the horizontal type tools, vertical type tools, horizontal type mask tools. So the vertical type mask tools. So just select this one, the horizontal type. So then click on here, click on here. See then after that, say the property bar. So the font sizes, font styles, right? Say so just select this create new. So the regular bold, italic, underline, bold, italic, bold and italic. So the sizes, say you can increase the sizes through this one. So just I select this one 48. So the alignment. So then color, foreground color, say you can change through this way for the text. So now click on here, this one color palette, color picker or color palette. Let's say you can choose the colors. So just click on here. So then after that, okay. The text color, say you can select from here. So likewise, say just you can type here. So then highlight this. So you can change after the typing, say you can change the font styles. You can change the font styles through this one. So just click on here, say this one different style. So likewise, say the different styles, say you can select from here. So the different styles. So then change the color, bold, italic, or whatever, say you can select from here. So then, so here this one, move tools. So now click on here. Say here you can move the text from many places. Right? Say then, edit, transform, scale. You select the scale. Say from this corner, say you can increase the size. Whatever size we need, say you can increase the size. So then press enter. Say you can increase the size through this way. So the edit, transform, scale can increase or decrease the sizes from this one. So then press enter. So now click on here this text. So then you can highlight this one. Say go through this way for the editing. The different sizes, different colors. Right, say now change the color also. So just click on here. So then after that, okay. Right, say now say click on here, transform, scale. Say you can scale this. So then press enter. So now select this one, transform, rotate. So you click on here. From this corner, you can rotate this. From this corner, you can rotate this. From this point, say you can rotate any side, any degree. Any degree, you can rotate this one through the rotate. So then press enter. Accepted that. So then edit, transform, rotate, scale and rotate. So the pre-transform, control plus T, right? So you can increase or decrease the size. Increase or decrease the size. From this point, say you can rotate both. So then press enter. So you can practice like this way. Later we can meet on next unit.